Hello everyone, welcome back to Rise City class, and this is video number 38. Hope you all are fine and safe. Did you study the topics which we have discussed in the last class? Already we have started our 7th chapter name the working of internet. It is explaining about internet, what is internet, and what we can do by using the internet. In the last class, what all things we have studied? We have discussed about server computers, which is the main computer in which we can create the websites and all. In server computers will be having a lot of features. They will be having a lot of technologies that help to create different websites and to show the different websites. So this server computer will satisfy the needs of variety of users by using the services provided by them. Okay, that also we have discussed, and we have discussed about IP address, which is of 4 octets, and this IP address normally the computer previous, like that means in olden days and all, that means the computer will be having IP address. That means after creating the website, normally that website we will be getting by using the IP address, but it will be difficult for the users to remember the number and all. So instead of that number we can denote as different names, and that names is known as the domain names. That also we have discussed, and also we have done one activity of IP address of a website. So by using the IP address we can open our website, but it will be difficult for the people to remember the numbers. So instead of that there will be different names, like for the Google IP address the domain name is google.com. So just when we write the domain name, we will be getting that website, we will be getting that page opened in the browser. Okay, so that all things we have discussed in the last class. So today we will be discussing more about internet. Just a second. Okay. Today we will be discussing about finding out the IP address from a host name, that we have done that activity. Once more we will be doing that, and inside a website, and about World Wide Web and different types of web services. Actually this chapter is the continuation of the chapter which you have studied in 9th standard. In 9th standard you will be having a chapter related to the internet. So that is the continuation. Okay, this chapter is the continuation of that chapter. Okay, the chapter name that you all will be knowing, that this amazing world at your fingertips. Okay, so it is it is not in the 9th standard, it is in 8th standard. Okay, so that is the continuation. Okay, this chapter is that continuation of that chapter. Okay, so today we will be starting with the activity 7.2. This is the activity of finding out the IP address. Finding out the IP address from a host name. You all will be knowing that. Just we will try out these two host name, and let's see what will be the IP address of this. So for that we have to open application, accessories, terminal. There, for getting the IP address, first thing we have to write is of host. After that the domain name, fsf.org. When we click, you will be getting fsf.org as the address, 209.51.188.174. so that you have to write here. Okay, in the same way we can type host imd.gov.in. This is the IP address, 14.139.247.8. Okay, so those who are after watching this, when you are watching the video, you have to open the textbook, and at the time when I am explaining this activity, that time you have to write the this IP address. Okay, that is what I am doing as the activity here. So you have to write down here in the table 7.2. Okay, so in this way from the domain name you will be getting the IP address. So if you type this IP address, 209 point, we will be opening the web browser. So here I am going to type 209.51.188.174. When we press enter, this will be the page FSF. If it is a free software foundation, so in this way, okay, we will be getting from the IP address, you will be getting the page, and also from domain name you will be getting the same page. So instead of writing the IP address, when we remember the domain name, you will be getting the page, the corresponding page easily. Okay, so that we have discussed. So I hope it is clear to all of you. Next, we already told the server software. I already told it is the main software or the main computer in which all the technologies are installed. At a time it can open many websites. So server software installed in a computer can manage more than one website at a school. That means at a time. For example, scholarship.it at school.gov, resource.it .gov.in are websites on the same server. So this server computer will be having a lot of benefits. It can open more than one websites at a time. Okay. So here I am going to open one website of Kerala Kalamandalam. So here just a second. Kalamandalam. This is the page kalamandalam.org. Yes, so this is the page. So here when this page is opened, you can see a protocol. Already we have studied about the protocol for transferring of the files, and for the chapter networking, all the computers will according to one protocol. So here we will be using the protocol is hypertext transfer protocol. So according to this hypertext transfer protocol is the protocol basically used for transferring the files and all. Okay, so what all things you are searching in the browser, what all websites or how many pages you are going to access, these all pages will be opened along with the HTTP protocol. So that you have to keep in mind. Okay, so this is the page of Kerala Kalamandalam. We have seen institutions like Kerala build and main website. Similarly, many institutions or individuals have websites of their own. Okay, so here this is the page. Here there is an option arts. From this page I am going to take the option Mohiniyattam. So directly I will be getting the page of Mohiniyattam. Okay, so when you check this, when you take this, what you can understand from this HTTPS, which is the protocol. www.kalamandalam.ac.in, which is our main website address. Art is the third portion. Art is the department, and Mohiniyattam is the file or the page which we want to get. Okay, so in this way, so what you can understand from this, kalamandalam.ac.in is the home page. From the home page they have given some links to get into the page which we want. Okay, for getting to the Mohiniyattam page, if we want to go to Bharatanatyam page, from all the other pages, from the home page there are separate links. These links and all is coming in which language. Already we have studied in the last like the previous chapter about HTML. So for all the web pages we will be using HTML. The source code will be HTML, and here in this as it's a website, in this website there will be a lot of web pages, and this is what this for Kathakali there is one web page, Mohiniyattam there is one web page. So for getting that web pages there are separate links, and that links which we are creating are by using the HTML protocol. You will be not protocol, HTML. We will be using CSS files also for linking it easily without by avoiding the repetitions. Okay. What we call web pages are pages created in HTML. This indicates that the pages are meant to be published on the internet. For what all pages we are publishing on the internet, the pages will be created in HTML. What is stored on the server will be a folder containing the necessary files, including web pages, images, sounds, files, animations, video, software. This is known as a website. So in a website, totally what is known as a website? The website will contain a lot of web pages. Those web pages will be containing files, animations, video, software and all. Okay, so you know that every network needs a protocol which will specify how the files can be exchanged. HTTP is the protocol for conveying HTML files and other resources to the internet. This protocol software is available on all server computers. It is there in our computer also as part of browser software. So here this is the page of Kalamandalam. Here we will be using the hypertext transfer protocol because this page is created by HTML. Okay, so for transferring the files we will be using HTTP protocol. If we want to go to any other pages, any other web pages, there are specified links. That links are created by HTML. So HTML plays an important role for creating the web pages, and for what all pages we are opening on the internet, all will be created by HTML. Okay, so I hope it is clear to all of you. So next is the activity 3.7. Already we have opened the Kerala Kalamandalam website, and you can see I already turned out different types of data. What all different types of data we can see? This images, video, etc. So and also when we right click in the any of the blank space, already we know when we just when we come down here, when we survey and when we take view page source, you will be getting that page source code will be in the form of HTML. Okay, so that's what it is saying in this portion. Next is World Wide Web. World Wide Web means all together the internet, what all data are storing, what all data we are getting in through internet, all it together it constitutes in World Wide Web. Okay, this can be done if a hyperlink is given from this word to another page. Already I told about the links and all. You can see that an information network comprising many pages with hyperlinks to more pages is there on internet. On internet, different pages will be linked with other pages. We will be giving hyperlinks by using HTML. We can call it as the World Wide Web. So this World Wide Web is the in internet you can see different computers are networked, different pages. You can see what all informations we are searching, that information you will be getting through internet. So this all constitutes World Wide Web. It works with HTTP, an application protocol for transferring the resources. And this one is here I already told about this portion. This is our protocol, first one protocol HTTP. This is our main page, that means website. this is a department, and this is the file which we have opened. All together we can name it as Uniform Resource Locator or URL address. Okay, so here there is example for URL address. This one, this is the HTTP is the Exchange Protocol. This is the name of the site. This slash files, here the slash in the place of files you can see art, so this is the place where the files are stored. Okay, and next one is the name of the file which we have searched. Okay, so normally an internet works, how internet works, when we are searching an information through internet in the browser, that information first regarding the information, it will search for the IP address. The IP address will be saved it will be in the domain name server. So from the IP address, when we got that IP address related to that page, so suppose we are searching for the Google, that if what will happen, it will search for the first this when we are searching through internet, directly it will be going to domain name server for searching the IP address for the Google. And if we got the IP address, we will be using the router from to find the location where the IP address of the computer is located. So from there we will be getting the correct information. Okay, so in this way the internet is working. So the router or router and the IP address is very important for getting the information. For each page which we are requesting, here we will be having the IP address. So the IP address will be stored in domain name server. Okay. Different types of web services is the next activity. Here you will be getting different types of, for online dictionaries and all, Wiktionary, it is the website. For publishing information and the companies and institution. Kalamandalam for publishing, for our Kerala Kites Victors for publishing the information. Online Malayalam newspapers, what are the website? Mathrubhumi.org, Deshabhimani, and also HTTP suprabhadam.com. These all are some of the website regarding online Malayalam newspapers. So I hope you can do these all things regarding to this topic. What all websites you are getting, that you have to write here. Okay. And also you all heard about this what all videos which we have created, we can share that video. In which platform we can share the video? We can YouTube, Vimeo, Instagram, then TikTok. These all are the different platforms in which we can share the videos which we have created. In the same way, what all writings we have done, what all things we have created, we can publish that writings as blogs. Okay, the blogs are the websites where such works could be published. www.blogger.com, wordpress.com. So other blogs sites you will be knowing that you can write over here. Okay, so this is the Tim Berners-Lee is the founder of World Wide Web. So I hope it is clear to all of you. So if you have any doubt, you must ask me in the upcoming Google Meet. So what all things totally we have discussed? Just we have how to write the how we will be getting the IP address related to the domain name, that we have done by using the terminal. And also we have opened a website Kerala Kalamandalam, and from there we studied about Uniform Resource Locator. And also basically we understood the HTML is the code behind all the web pages, and the protocol which is using is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you must ask me. And those who are having computer, try these all things to find the source code, to find the host, this IP address with domain name and all. So and if you the all other things in detail we will be discussing in the upcoming classes. Okay, so see you in the next class. Thank you.